Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we have a sponsored video by YASGRL. They sent me over this beautiful 14-inch Bobbiana with the braids. With the bangs, okay? When I tell you this thing was so easy to install and all I had to do was run the flat iron through it to get the little kinks out from travel and it being in its package. That is it. That is all I had to do. And this hair is beautiful. Like, look at the movement. Look at the body. You guys, this hair is so freaking gorgeous. So gorgeous. So shout out to them for sending this wig over to me and collaborating with me, because what? I think it's like, yes, girl. I think it's like that, kind of like you need to drag it. You need to drag it every time you say it. And like, I was not expecting this wig to look like fabulous, okay? Absolutely fabulous. So if you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this install, okay? And it's gonna be real quick, honey, real quick. All right, you guys, we are working with YASGRL today. Isn't this packaging so freaking cute? So inside you get some lashes that come with a little spoolie. That's cute. Wig caps. Extra elastic band if you want to sew this on. Of course, their little pamphlet with hair care and how to install, all that good stuff. And the bag, it looks like this. I love this gold satin bag. With the brown lettering. Stop. Yes, girl. Yes. Okay, you guys. So the wig will look like this. I have a bob with bangs today. Okay. So this is what the wig is looking like. It is a 14-inch. I believe it's an auburn brown, but I will have all the information in the description box. Here is the lace on top. And we've got our little bangs. This one should be pretty easy to install. Let's get into this wig construction. So we have a little lace in the middle, and that's gonna be the parting at the top of your head. You have 3 combs, adjustable straps, and then a elastic band as well. So this is gonna be cute. This is gonna be cute. And this is giving like a little, is this like a Yaki texture, or like it's kind of giving me like kinky straight. Like the texture is just a little, it's like, it's thick, it's giving thick. And this hair is not tangling at all. It feels good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna speed through me installing this. I'm gonna install it, then just run a straightener through it. Let's get into this one. All right, you guys, so I'm all done installing this hair. This hair took nothing but maybe 10 minutes just to get the kinks out and run the straightener through, but it took no time at all. And look at her. Look at her. Stiff wear. Look how sleek this looks. Well, am I giving Nicki Minaj? This is definitely giving me Nicki Minaj. I don't care what y'all say. Miss Minaj. It's so freaking pretty. Again, I think this is a auburn brown. It's 14 inches. The bangs are sleek. Do you see this? I didn't even put nothing on the top. Like, I didn't do nothing up here. I didn't feel like that was necessary. But let's just get into, like, look. Who said you could move like that? Who said you could move like that? She is beautiful. Yes. And I don't think have I ever done a wig with like bangs like this, like a bob with bangs? I don't even know. I should have put like a dark lip on or like a red lip. That's what I should have did. I will have all the details to this wig in the description box below. Yes, girl. Thank you, Yes Girl, for sponsoring this video today. I love it. This hair feels so good, you guys. And it was so easy to install. And all I had to do was take the kinks out. That is literally all I had to do. Okay, make sure you guys check out the description below for all the information on this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.